with this newish ball. Yep, just there. That's gone up in the air as well. Third comes in. This could be three. Yes, it is. Adam Zampa down at third man. The Phoenix are collapsing in the power play.
Not a good choice of...
Just past backward point.
Adam Zampa is a busy man, the third man there. Well, Moeen Ali is playing it the modern way for sure.
There's no impact. So
Wrong.
another play and a miss.
This is good quality bowling, this, Nas.
Edge, does it carry? Yeah, it has. Brilliant captaincy. Brilliant captaincy. Keep him on. He is going to bowl 15 of the first 20 deliveries, and the Phoenix find themselves 4 down.
Yeah. People in the pod thought it was a bit of a strange decision to bat first.
Trophy final, bowling at this end. He's now bowled. That will be a wide.
Bethel choosing the more traditional route, understanding the ball is 2 and a bit.
Amir has